New and powerful tools are allowing the science community to collect more in-depth data on Australia's geology than ever before. CSIRO and Geoscience Australia are working on a national geoscience data network that will enhance the way scientists work together to tackle the big issues impacting on our society, environment and resources.
What we're seeing is there's an increasing amount of data that is being collected, but also required in order to meet the societal needs. So if you come to this country and you're wanting to explore for a mineral or deal with energy or look at water resources or balances of environment, those needs have an increasingly diverse and complex web of data underneath required. So the small inefficiencies that exist in how you go and get that via a web page or a phone call and so forth are adding up substantially. The goal of the network is to enable that information to be brought together more readily and really get that cost of accessing data down to like nothing.
If scientists are to focus on solving big picture problems, data must be consistently expressed, integrated and exchanged so that it can be turned into information and eventually increase scientific knowledge. The network features virtual laboratories that exploit cloud computing, enabling scientists to tackle multidisciplinary issues including water security, sustainable development of minerals and energy resources, environmental sustainability and emergency management.
They say that this is a new way of doing things which is going to lead to us being able to have ways of doing new things. At the moment people tend to look at minerals data independent of environmental data, independent of water data. I spend far too much time trying to find data in all these data stores across Australia, and then when they find it, it's in different formats. We believe our network will enable them to seamlessly access the data.
For society's biggest challenges, teams of researchers from across organisations need access to great equipment and great data to make real breakthroughs.
We can focus more on the science, more on the needs of society and more on the needs of industry and get a better outcome.
Australian minerals, our future.